Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 stories. And the first one we're going to be talking about is Tesha Miller filed a lawsuit against TVJ. He's not the first one to do it. Vybz Kartel also did it before. And then we're going to be talking about Gully Bop and also a math teacher that took 3 taxi to get to her job every single day. We have it easy, okay? Come, let's get into the story. And the first one we are going to be talking about is Tesha Miller. And it says, reputed Klansman gang leader Tesha Miller has filed a lawsuit against Television Jamaica, claiming that he was defamed by the media house. The television station is accused of defaming Miller during its primetime newscast on March 19th. Miller's attorney, Bert Samuels, a big bad attorney, who indicated that his client has been at all material times wielder and said in the lawsuit, the said word published by the defendant about the claimant in the evening news were false and intended to defame the claimant, as the claimant is not a gang leader in Spanish Town or any other area. Neither has he been charged or convicted as a gang leader pursuant to the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organization Act of 2014 or any other law. Samuels further pointed out that the published words were not only calculated and intended to injure and malignant Miller, but also expose him to hatred, contempt, and ridicule, and therefore intended also to lower him in the estimation of right-thinking members of society, including potential jurors. And I also feel like that is what happened in Vybz Kartel case, because Vybz Kartel was all over the news when his case was going on. And you guys know most of Jamaica watch TVJ, watch primetime news. And that can sway a juror's thinking or sway a juror's thought process on a case, okay? Additionally, the lawyer pointed out in the lawsuit that the published words convey to the public that his client, who is to stand trial before a jury in the Supreme Court for offenses of accessory before the fact to a murder and accessory after the fact to a murder of the former Jamaican Urban Transit Company chairman, Douglas Chambers, was in fact guilty of being a gang leader in Spanish Town, hence is capable of being involved in said murder. So I do feel like he has a case, because you can put stuff out there that is not factual, and you have to be very careful with using the word alleged if you're going to say something like that in the media. I do feel like he has a case. So let's see where this goes. Do you think that Tesha Miller is going to win this case against TVJ? Or do you think they're going to protect TVJ? Because TVJ is a big company in Jamaica. What do you guys think? So the next person we're going to be talking about is Gully Bop. And Gully Bop have been going through it recently. Okay, he has definitely been going through it. We haven't been hearing much of him on the social media, and he has been keeping a low profile. Well, he came out to talk about why he has been keeping a low profile and what is going on with his career. Dancehall artist Gully Bop has been noticeably absent from the local music scene, and he blames this on disc jockeys who he believes are not giving him enough airplay. In a recent interview with the Star, the 54-year-old said that even though his 2018 physical assault court case forced him to maintain a low profile, he has never stopped recording music. He is also blasting radio disc jockeys for not supporting his music. He added that he could take the initiative to visit local radio stations and promote his music, but chooses not to. Despite his change to a more positive sound, Gully Bop claimed radio disc jockeys prefer to promote violent or degrading music. Not only that, Gully Bop have a new manager. So his new manager is saying that he's ready to handle what they have in store for him, and he is more mature now. I don't know how much more mature Gully Bop is, but we will see, because Gully Bop have the tendency to after a while have these big outbursts, which is not necessary or good for his image. But Gully Bop is more mature and ready to handle the world of fame, according to his manager, Carl Durant. The producer and PR specialist launched an island-wide high school tour last month, of which Gully Bop is a featured act, and said the body specialist DJ has not lost a beat. The fans still love him, so any stage that he performs and he always get resounding forwards, and not many artists can say that, Durant said. A lot of artists are out there with songs and they can't perform. Gully Bop is an excellent performer and he has his love of the people. So even when them cuss him and say Gully Bop this and that, just give him a microphone and put him on any stage and watch the result. He's very confident in his client, and that is what you need in a manager, okay? But I'm going to read some of these comments in the comment section and tell you what the people have to say. And it says, me never did a Gully Bop funeral and when him rise from the dead again. So when they said, try and link mackerel. Every year a mad person bust in Jamaica. L.A. Lewis, Twangin, Rosie, Gully Bop, and Lally. I must Gully play you want. You think people have time to listen crap. Well, next one say, fuck you. Gully Bop the day is done. You did too in hype. And look how much airplay you used to get from this jack them. You're too ungrateful. You get airplay from DJ Sunshine Pod, the whole of them again Rhythm and ZJ Liquid and ZJ Wiggle, Sparkle Baby, etc. What more you want? Go your mother Gully Bop and go sit down. Your day's done. At least your piece of the cake, and you did actually want done it. Your voice not even have no clarity in it, and your nursery rhymes them like Baby Shark and Mama Shark. LOL, take a hike, man. So the people are obviously not feeling Gully Bop, and they have reasons to, because Gully Bop is not humble. Gully Bop used to tell everybody if you suck out their mother when it's not necessary. So Gully Bop is going to get some backlash, okay? I don't know how his manager is going to fix it, but you can get back into the hearts of Jamaican people if you try hard enough. So I wanted to end this out on a good note and give you guys a good story. And this one says, top maths teacher takes 3 taxis to get to work. Teaching mathematics is a labor of love for Kareem Mundell-Thomas. The 2019 Mathematics Teacher of the Year travels 27 miles on 3 taxis from her home in St. Catherine to Caron High School in the Hills in St. Mary to mold young minds daily. She has been doing this for the last 15 years. And although it's a struggle, it is one of Mundell-Thomas has learned to embrace and she uses as a form of motivation. Mundell-Thomas is on a mission to transform the way teachers at the primary level communicate messages regarding the subject to students who are underperforming. As a high school teacher, knowing the challenges we face, I want to channel some of that into the primary system and if possible even below that level. But for now, the primary level is a key point for me, she said. She said she has been using certain strategies in the classroom, which include teaching boys and girls in separate classes. When I was in primary school, I wanted to become a teacher, but when I went to high school and saw the challenges that come with teaching, I kind of didn't want to be in that again. But now I'm in it and it's really the best profession, she said. Mathematics has always been a passion of mine from high school. Claremont High in St. Catherine, but I really did not want to be in the classroom, so I shied away from studying education despite being encouraged by my maths teacher to go into mathematics education. I went into counseling, however, when I was awarded my degree, I ended up applying for a job teaching mathematics. Somehow I was successful, and as they would say, the rest is history. I ended up teaching maths, and I'm telling you that I'm passionate about it, and it's something I really love. And now I can see myself coming, and now I cannot see myself coming out of it, she said. So, this lady takes 3 taxis to get to her job, which one of you guys can say that, and she loves her job, and she is one of the top maths teacher in Jamaica. She was awarded the prize of top maths teacher, so big up to her, congratulations to her, and I hope she find a shorter route to work. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.